Google just gave AI agents 3 new ways to touch your website, and none of them should get permission to publish. If you run a small agency or business, AI can now generate page changes faster than your team can inspect them. Google I/O's 3 Chrome updates give you a better QA path, current web guidance, browser-level agent inspection, and AI help inside DevTools. Most recaps pitch autonomous website building. They skip who checks the change, why it happened, and whether it is safe for a live customer site. By the end, you'll have a simple publish gate workflow. I build these systems daily for clients. Let's start with the missing owner of AI website quality. At Google I/O 2026, Google highlighted 3 Chrome AI tooling updates: modern web guidance, Chrome DevTools for agents, and AI assistance in Chrome DevTools. The important part is not that an agent can make more website changes. The important part is that the work can happen with better context and more visible inspection. That matters because most small teams currently have a dangerous workflow. Someone asks AI to improve a landing page. The AI produces code. The code gets copied into production, and nobody can clearly explain what changed or what broke. Modern web guidance is the standards layer. Before an agent edits a page, it needs reliable current guidance instead of a vague prompt like, "Make this page faster," or "Fix the SEO." Give it the accepted requirements, accessibility expectations, performance targets, approved components, brand rules, analytics constraints, and the pages it must not touch. Clear inputs make the output easier to review. They also create accountability when an AI suggestion conflicts with what the business actually needs. Chrome DevTools for agents is the inspection layer. Browser context is useful because website failures are not just code failures. A page can look correct in a repository and still fail in the browser because of rendering, network requests, layout shifts, form behavior, or a third-party script. But this should be treated as a test environment, not an unattended deployment pipeline. Let the agent inspect, reproduce, and propose a fix. Do not let it silently push changes to a customer-facing site. AI assistance in Chrome DevTools becomes the review layer. It can help a team investigate an implementation or performance problem without every person needing to be a DevTools expert. But investigation is not approval. The person responsible for the site still needs a clear record: the issue found, the evidence, the proposed change, the test result, and the final decision. Here's exactly how I would turn these 3 announcements into a workflow. First, create a short change brief before the AI works. Objective: page URL, allowed files, success metric, and rollback owner. Second, run the proposed change in staging and use browser inspection to capture what changed and what the user experiences. Third, require a human sign-off before publishing. The approval can be simple, but it must exist. Approve, reject, or request revision. Real numbers, no estimates. Google announced 3 tools. What we do not know yet is whether they save a small team time on real client sites. See examples of what we ship for clients at bizflowai.io, including automation systems with visible checkpoints instead of black box handoffs. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so you catch the next AI automation breakdown, where we turn another AI feature into an operating workflow.